this tutorial I will show you how to unlink bank account from Google Pay. First thing you want to do is to go open the Google Wallet app. Now you want to find the payment method that you want to remove. I actually don't have any bank payments added to Google Pay. So here you just need to find the card you want to remove now. Simply tap the card. And at the top right tap More or just tap here on the three dots. You'll see a menu and an option that say as Remove Payment Method. Then just tap on the Remove Payment Method. And that is how you can remove bank account for Google Pay.